My thing wasn't screen recording the whole time. Are you serious? I ain't got no business catching feelings. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better and I'm back with another video. So what's up? What's good? How y'all doing today? Good. That's what I like to hear as always. If you're new to my channel, my name's Cameron. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Cameron Joyce with 2 E's. Join the fam. Let's grow together. Let's make some shake. I'm here to show you guys my journey and just my life. Reality TV on my watch. You dig what I'm saying? Not really. Okay, let's just move on. So as you can see by the title, I am filming how I make my thumbnails. I don't think I really do anything special. The point of my thumbnails is to be simple but look appealing at the same time. I don't like, you know, all that stuff. There's some people who put like a lot of stuff on their thumbnails, and to me, I just like simplicity. I like it to look and to match the rest of my thumbnails. I don't want it to be different on each one. I want it to have like a theme. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I edit my thumbnails. So if you want to know, or you just want to watch, if you want to do whatever, keep watching because I'm about to do it. Thank you. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video. Oh, pause. Yes, I straightened my hair. It's kind of frizzy right now because it's very humid in Georgia, so yeah, that's why it's like that. And I'm not redoing it again because I've already done it too many times. I'm tired of re-straightening it. But yeah, I straightened my hair just because, well, one, for pictures, and two, I just wanted to see what it looked like. I'm starting to not care about heat damage. Sorry to all those people who are like natural freaks. Not necessarily freak in a bad way, like, you know what I'm saying, like you care a lot about natural hair. Anyway, don't take that offensive. I'm not trying to be rude. But not for real. I'm starting not to care as much just because my hair is really thick and it's really annoying. Basically, that's the only reason why. But okay, back to the video. So I'm going to put a screen recording of what I'm doing on my phone on the screen. So just, you know, don't worry. To start off this, we're first going to go into Google. You're going to type in white background, 1800 by 1000. The reason that I put those dimensions in is because for the thumbnail, those are the dimensions. It's really not that hard to find a background like that, but sometimes it can be a pain. If the background is larger, it's okay. It's easy to crop it to that exact dimension in the app. I'm about to show you how to do that, but usually under the picture it does say the dimensions. So we're gonna click on this one and it does say 1800 by 1000, so that's a score. We're gonna hold the picture. Okay, that's not what I meant to do. We're gonna hold it, go up, save image, okay? And now we're gonna go into the app called PixArt. Now with PixArt, what we're gonna do is press the plus button, edit, click the picture, and then if the picture happens to be larger than the dimensions that you need for the thumbnail, then all you need to do is press Tools, Crop, and then at the top of the screen it has where you can type in the dimensions that you need, but it's already 1800 by 1000. So there's no reason that I just typed that, but I was just doing that just to show you. And then you just press apply. It'll automatically crop it for you. And then the next thing that I usually do, well, before I do this part, after I film my videos, I go ahead and snap some pictures for my thumbnail. I pose, and then I take the pictures off of my camera, put them on my laptop, send them to my email, and save it from my email on my phone so it can be on my phone. Yes, that's a long process, but the camera that I have does not have Wi-Fi, so I can't directly send it from the camera to my phone, which would be 10 times easier, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do after that is we're gonna add photo, and I'm going to use the picture that I used to make the feed in bun tutorial. So I'm just gonna click on that, add photo, enlarge it to fit the, what's it called, the dimensions that are already there, and just move it around so I'm happy with it, you know. Try to get it centered. I like mine centered. And then apply. And then I'm gonna press add text. Just gonna put example because I don't feel like typing all of the actual title. And the font that I'm using currently is called Unica 1. And you can spread it out some if you need, or make it a little bit smaller. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Make it smaller, bigger, however big you want. You can change the color. You can make it where it has a border around it, but I don't usually do that. If you want the word to be thicker, I would usually press stroke and then pick whatever color the text already is, just so it looks bold. But I don't usually do that, but it's just an example. So we're just gonna apply that, and usually I'd be done depending on the type of video that it is. But let's say I'm doing a video that requires a picture. So now we're gonna go back to Google and we're gonna type in Target logo PNG. The reason you do PNG is because the type of picture that is it won't have the white background whenever you apply it to something. So when I go in to add the picture, it'll just be on the screen without me having to crop out the white, which makes editing 10 times easier, or making the thumbnail 10 times easier, because before I was trying to find like up close pictures so I can gently crop out the edges so I don't have to worry about the little white on the inside, but it's still there, so it still kind of bothers me, but not really, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're gonna click on the logo. Sometimes the first one you click on is not the correct one, but boom, bada bang, bada bing, this is right. Usually when it has a checkered, or not usually, all the time, every time it has the checkered background, when you click on it, like after you click it, that means it's the right one. If it has it on there before you see it, that's not right. It's gonna be, the checkered will be on the picture still. Does that make sense? I'm just trying to make this make as much sense as possible. So we're gonna go back into the app, add photo, click what we just got, and then boom, it's right there. Example. We don't have to edit out any background or anything. Boom, boom, bang. And then if you want to add another photo, we do the same thing. Add, put it on the other side, and then boom. And then when you're done, you're just gonna click the upper right hand arrow, save, and save again. There we go, save the photos. But that's all I do when it really comes to thumbnails. I like to keep it simple because, in my opinion, I like the theme of my channel's thumbnails to kind of, you know, look similar. I don't know, it's just more appealing, kind of like Instagram feeds where it's like a theme. I like my thumbnails to be a theme in a way, at least editing it. I don't know, that's just how I like to do it. My Instagram feed though, that needs some work. But we're not talking about that right now. No. But yeah, that's how I edit my thumbnails, so I hope that helped you. So yeah, now y'all can be hip and cool and know how to make a thumbnail. If you're interested in making a YouTube channel, if you're interested in making banners, if you're interested in making any kind of graphic design type looks, this is what you do. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you guys out, and again, if you're new, please join the fam. Come join Cam's fam. That's a thing now. Hashtag Cam fam. What's good? What's poppin'? Join it. But I hope I helped anyone out there. If you want to do some type of graphic design, if you want to make an Instagram logo, if you want to make a thumbnail, if you want to just post some pictures on Instagram, if you want to do this, if you want to do that, I hope I helped you. Okay, but that's really it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe down below. Tell me what you want to see, what you don't want to see, what you want me to never ever 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 do again, and I'll do it. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Turn nobody. When I touch your body, act like you don't know nobody.